take you home. I wanna take you home. 'Cause it's so rare that I'm here. Don't plan on staying too long. So you should come here, sit your ass on this throne. It's a special affair. Better act like you know who I am. Who I am. I bet this Patron make you feel nice and comfortable. Tryna act nice, girl, your cover's long. But you already knew that. You already knew that. You already knew that. We can burn one.
Welcome back to my channel. Right, Bday?
Welcome back to her channel.
Okay, so today is my second photo shoot for my birthday. This year, I just wanted to do a bunch of photo shoots. Like, why not? I have different looks. I have one of the looks now. I'm wearing this with like a fur jacket, and then the next one is gonna be this colorful thing. You guys see me wear like those sleeves with a little puffy situation, but you'll see. I'm gonna have Bday do some like behind the scenes for us. So yeah, getting ready for my birthday.